3 months na ako nagko-connect sa isang industry, cycling industry. And then for the past 3 months, yung nakukuha ko lang is crickets. Or I actually used the script, the email script. I did all of the action plan, and then I just actually got those crickets. And may ano man, may mag-reply man pero hindi nagpo-proceed. I just want to ask if ano yung if you are in my shoe right now, ano bang pwede kong gawin para hindi ako mag-stop mag-connect? Connect lang ba ako ng connect?
Medyo malaman yung communication na una. Ginag-connect mo ba?
Oo, yung connect na ginawa ko almost 350 na sa Shinsu.
Ilan nyo yun? Parang nag-text na lang ng
Almost 11 reply. Pero hindi talaga interest, parang ano lang, okay. Tapos pag sabi ko ng offer ko, hindi na nagre-reply. Pinapalo up ko almost 5 or 6 times.
Okay, so offer. So, kung parang 50, 11 yung parang nag-reply pero walang parang umagat sa offer mo. Offer mo yung may problema.
Actually offering Facebook ads for them.
Okay, how do you tell them?
Like I tell them that if they want to have more sales or customers inside their shop, then they need Facebook ads. Parang ganun.
Chief, good evening. After the raffle po, I'll have your ready, mga 2 hours. Sure, 45 minutes, Chief.
45 minutes?
Kahit ano na. Pero that's the time we allotted for you.
Siguro mga sa inyo naman.
Nagiging Thank you,
Hindi
Chief.
alam lang mag-speech ako sa...
Thank you, Chief. Thank you.
Yan lang naman, Jim. Yun, parang nasabi ko sa nila, Facebook ads is the way or the key for you to basically attract or brand awareness sa mga ganun.
Anong nilalagay mo sa iHelp mo?
I help cycling industry attract more, ano ba yun? Yung nilagay ko ng word doon. Parang attract more customer doon sa shop nila. Doon sa shop nila para bumili ng mga ano.
Okay, cycling industry para hindi mo ko ma-attract na. Bicycle store owners.
Narrow down, kumbaga magna-narrow down talaga ako sa
Ayaw bicycle store owners or cycling store owners get more patrons for their bicycle shop or get more customers for their shop. Yun lang.
lang.
Baka yung mga message mo through Facebook ads, churro ba gumagano ka?
Oo, yun yun.
Kasi wala, pag bicycle store owner ako, wala naman akong pakialam sa Facebook ads.
Kumbaga sa result.
Pakialam ko, bigyan mo ko lang mga pupunta sa store ko.
Oo, solid.
Ayusin mo yung offer mo, mag-connect ulit ng 200. Pag 200, wala pa rin, balikan mo. Kasi pag gano'n, ang problema na nun, market na.
I see. Sige bro, thank you. Thank you, Chief. Thank you.